Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to attach crinoline on a flare gown without lining using a very simple and clean method. So if you've been struggling with making your gown stand firm and look professional, this tutorial will make it super easy for you. So let's get started. So to attach the crinoline to your gown, you have to place the front side of your gown on your sewing machine and then place the crinoline at the tip of the gown, just the way I placed it on this gown. Then you will start sewing it with half an inch. Now after sewing, you keep on sewing from the beginning till you get to the round of the gown. So when you get to the extreme, the rough edges, you are going to use a pieces to cover the rough edge so that it will not poke on someone's body. So after covering that rough edge, you finish it and then you flip it over to the back side and sew again. So I just want you to watch the video down to the end and see what the outcome is going to look like, how you're going to finish the rough edges. Let's watch. So to cover the rough edge, I had to use a black pieces to cover that rough edge. See, just see how I did it. I folded it on the rough edge, then I'll use my sewing machine to sew it. After sewing it, then I'll finish that area before I'll flip the crinoline to the wrong side of the gown. So So after sewing, just flip it over to the wrong side just the way I am doing it. So after flipping it over, arrange it very well and then you will start sewing. See how neat it is. It will look very neat and very professional. You can use this pattern for any outfit of your choice. It can be an A-line gown, an A-line skirt, a 6-piece skirt, a wedding dress, any dress of your choice. You can use this pattern to do your finishing. It is absolutely beautiful and super easy to make. So watch to the end so that you will see the outcome of this gown. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our other sewing videos for more tips and beautiful techniques. I'm Lois Sada and I will see you in my next video. Bye.